Before the jungle reclaimed it, before the tourists rediscovered it, Angkor Wat stood quietly, watching kingdoms rise and fall. It's not just a temple, it's a monument to human ambition, faith and survival. Rising from the jungles of Cambodia, Angkor Wat is the largest religious structure ever built. It was commissioned in the early 1100s by King Suryavarman II, dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu and built to reflect the Hindu vision of the universe. It's not just made of stone, it's designed like a map of heaven. Every block of sandstone, every corridor, and every carved wall was placed with intention. Temples like this weren't just for prayer, they were symbols of power, statements carved in stone to remind future generations who ruled and what they believed in. Over time, the empire shifted, and so did the temple. From Hinduism to Buddhism, from royal sanctuary to hidden ruin. As the jungle closed in, Angkor Wat wasn't destroyed, it was simply forgotten by the outside world. But it never stopped standing. Centuries later, explorers, historians, and travelers began returning to this sacred site. What they found was more than architecture, it was legacy, a place that survived wars, weather, and time. Walk through its galleries and you'll see detailed bas-reliefs of epic battles, gods, demons, and stories from ancient scriptures. These walls hold myths, victories, and lessons, etched permanently into stone. Today, Angkor Wat is the heart of Cambodia. It's not just on their flag, it's in their identity. And for filmmakers, photographers, and travelers, it's one of the most powerful places on earth to experience in person. The best time to visit is sunrise. That first light hitting the temple across the reflection pond is something you never forget. Bring your tripod, bring your patience, but most of all, bring your respect. Angkor Wat didn't just survive, it endured, and standing here, camera in hand, you realize some places aren't meant to fade, they're meant to be remembered. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Mandovids for more travel history, cinematic locations, and behind-the-scenes insights from the field. New videos coming soon.